Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhammad Teddy. We're talking about the super important films. Uh, the film is The Hate You Give. If you've seen it, or even if you haven't, stick around because we're going to break down the story, the character, and the moments that makes this film a must watch. Okay, let's do it about film. Hugh Gibbs tells the story of the star Carter, a young black girl who witnessed her best friend, Khalil, being shot by a white police officer. The movie follows the start as the struggles to speak about what the heaven balancing life the between her to the neighborhood and the mostly white private school, the Sigas. To this is a powerful film about racism, justice, and finding your voice. Okay, now let's talk about the key things that make the Hate You Give so special. We'll look at the character, the plot, and the message behind it all. First up, we have Star Carter, the main character. Okay, let's go. Star Carter. Star is the teenage girl who torn between two worlds. She lives in the mostly black neighborhood, but goes to a mostly white school. Throughout the films, she learns to stand up for what's right and speak out about Khalil's death. Appearance: medium brown skin, natural curly hair, and dress casually. Personality: strong, caring, but unsure at first. As the story goes on, the becomes more confident and brave. And then is Khalil. Khalil is Star's childhood friend who is shot by a police officer. The shoot too. And although he's not in the movie for long, his death is the turning point of the story. Okay, reference in the Khalil, young black man and short hair, like this, short hair, and then dressed in the street clothes. In personality, loyal, protective in society, but loved by Star Carter. Okay, next in officer Mike Lunt. The white officer who shoots Khalil. He assumed Khalil is the dangerous just because of his race, and appearance-nya blonde in a police uniform, and the personality prejudice, quick to judge, and the unfair treatment black people face from the police, racism. Yeah, this officer racism. Okay, next. Okay, let's talk about the happens in the movie. Exposition. The movie starts by showing Star's life. She's living the two worlds, her black neighborhood and her mostly white school. She's always trying to fit in, but she right away the start feels like she can't be herself in either place. And then rushing action. Everything changes when Stark witness Khalil death. He gets pulled over by a cop, and even though he wasn't doing anything wrong, the officer shoot him Stark the only witness, and now she has to decide whether to stay silent or speak up. And in the climax, the most intense part of the movie is when Stark finally decides to speak out protest. She stands in front of the crowd, saying that's Khalil, life matter, and telling about the racism that led to his death. It's such a powerful in the scenes. Yeah. And next, I forget. Falling action. After Stark speak out, the tension rise. There are riot and the things get really dangerous for her and her family. But Stark's courage is clear. She's no longer afraid to use her voice. Okay. Next, resolution. In the end, Stark realized the harvest has power. She promised to keep fighting for justice, not just for Khalil, but for everyone affected by racism. Yeah. Okay, next what? Tema. Okay. The theme is the main theme of the hate you give is about standing up to injustice. The movie shows how racism affects communities and how important it is to speak out. It's about finding your voice even when it's scary. Yeah. Okay, next. Oh, why the movie is stand out? So why is the hate you give to so special? It's not just about the story, but it's about how really it fits the character and relatable. And the issues they face, like racism and police brutality, and the things we see in the real life. The scene where Khalil is shot during the traffic to stick with because really for so many people. So next, the social issues of racism in the hate you give. One of the most heartbreaking parts of the movies is when Khalil is shot in officer police. The officer assumes Khalil is a threat just because he's black. This moment highlights how racism and prejudice are still hug problems. Today, especially when it comes to police violence, Star's journey of the deciding to speak up is a reflection of the like for justice that happening in the world. Okay. And that's it for today. Breakdown of the Hate You Give. This movie, not just a story, it's a call to action. If you haven't watched this movie, highly recommend. I'm recommended for you because That You Give is very very amazing for me. It's very very amazing for me. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you grateful, stay healthy, and see you again. Okay, see you next see you next my video. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.